Carrying on from our previous video, which just showed you the inline edit facility, I want to show you how you can mass update a number of records. So let's say, for example, I want to change a number of these fields all at once without having to export them and re-import the data, but I could be using this facility here. So what we'll do is we'll just change these back to something that's not there. We'll change these two here to nothing as well. So we've got a starting point. So basically on these records, I'm just showing you the inline edit, but you know, I'm missing data, I'm missing the attributes associated with this. So based on filters, I could select some records. So I've just selected obviously these two. And what I want to do is change, update these all at the same time. These three little dots here will give me a sub-menu from Applications Platform. The one I'm interested in is Mass Update. I've got the fields I've got a number of fields showing. If the fields aren't there and I've got permissions, I can add them. So in this instance, I'm going to just add some of the other fields onto the page, but you'd need permissions to do this anyway. So I'm just looking for some pick lists that I've created for fashion type devices. I'm just going to add them here for convenience onto the page so I can use them. So we've got some fields. If I save that down, you wouldn't normally be doing this, but you can see that the fields are physically on that. So in this instance, I want to change those two to camouflage, and I think we'll be using neckline to sort of collar, and we'll just save this down. So what we're doing is we've chosen to do mass updates on these fields, on these products here that we'd selected in the pre-select. So if I just save that down, go back to my system, you can see that our neckline's been changed and our pattern's been changed as well. So just using the mass update field. So select some, click into the mass updates. If the fields aren't there, add them. Change whatever you want to do for those products, and that saves you doing some import export type routines onto the system. So that's just showing you the mass update and how you can start to clean your data, your attributes specifically in this instance, using the mass update facility. So the third one is I'm just going to show you the export import elements so you can see how you can you work with that too.